Hey, what's going on, guys? It's your girl Kiyomi. I am here for a quick weave tutorial that I just want to show you guys real quick. Let's get started. I basically just braided my hair back and made a rectangular part around to have some leave out. I have a barbie pin in my mouth, and I'm basically going to braid my hair in the back and pull it up and pin it up in place. Basically this is just a quick procedure just to get the hairstyle done real quick. You don't really have to braid your hair real fancy unless you want to keep your hair in for a really long time. Then I would say, yeah, braid your hair real tight under that cap. So I got to be sprayed, glued, spritz, and basically I just apply that to my edges so that my edges can be maintained and safe and not yanked out and pulled out. I'm just laying it down. Actually, I ended up putting a little too much on, and that ended up making my edges lift a little bit, but I'm not really going to keep this hairstyle in for a long time anyway, so I'm not really bothered by it. But for someone who really wants to keep this hair in, I wouldn't suggest putting a lot of spritz in on your edges. Excuse me. So basically I applied the cap to my head, and I like to leave that little leave out poked out a little bit just so that it can stay in place, and then I know exactly where to cut around. It just gives me a good little pinpoint as to where I should just cut around and have my leave out going on. I guess I'm a little excited here. Don't know what I was listening to at that point. I forgot, but I was chatting. So anyway, I got this pack of hair called Amour Super Yaki 14-inch weave downtown, my local beauty supply store, and I actually snagged a great deal. It was $2, and I actually grabbed a bulk of these just for rainy days. You know, sometimes I get tired of the hair, but I just like to store it just in case I have nothing else to do with my hair. I do a lot of things with that hair, not just the quick weave style. I do things like buns, ponytails, or you can do a lot. So here we go. I have the color red. It was 1B118, and I actually like this color. I actually like this texture. It goes very good with African American texture hair. Blends very well. That's what I like about it. So I had to take a quick little break, and I was halfway done. Hey baby Jeremy, I just had him about 3 months ago. My little baby. He's my third baby, actually. I have 3 boys. Isn't that crazy? 3 little boys that be running around the house and messing the house up all the time. But there goes my baby. He's just chilling. So I basically just took the hair evenly around. I'm halfway, almost done. Just need some little mommy time. So basically when I got finished around the leave out section, I really like to brush my hair down real even so that it looks really flat and laid well. So I use all kinds of brushes. I use the paddle brush, I use the 360 kind of wave brush, And that really works really good as into laying your tracks down when they're all dried up. That's what I like to do. So here I go cutting around the leave out, taking that extra cap out that I don't need anymore. So usually after you do that, sometimes you have to add maybe 1 or 2 tracks around that perimeter just to keep it more secure and look more evenly blended. Especially if you have thicker coarse hair, it's good to put at least 1 or 2 tracks around that area after you cut the cap. So here I am, I'm about to part my hair in the middle. And that's how it should look after you're all finished with your tracks in that area. Just filling in all the gaps. And like I said, it's really good to brush your hair down real nice and smooth so that everything can lay real nice. You won't see no tracks peeking out. You won't see any bad hair. Just really, really nice laid hair. And there you go. I like to wet my hair up top before I apply any kind of gel. That gel up in there real good. You know, gel can always be your friend. Well, my friend. And I'm just trying to show you guys how it looks a little bit in the light. You know, the blend and the texture mixed in with my texture. So basically, you know, that's the hairstyle, and I really hope that you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Hope you guys was able to learn something about it. And actually, about this brand of hair is real cool. Amour Super Yaki 14-inch weave. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I love you. Like, comment, subscribe. Bye, sis. Get that hair day, girl.